Before we start on the 9-patch block, we're going to do a little partial assembly, and we're going to attach some of the corner blocks to the connector blocks. And this is how we do it. Here are the connector blocks we just finished, and we're going to take the two of the corner blocks and piece them like this. We're going to stitch these to the ends, the corner blocks to the end of each end of the connector blocks, and then we're going to press toward the corner block. And you'll do this for 10 of these for the throw size and 20 of these for the double size. We're only going to do half of the connector blocks, but we'll use up all of the corner blocks. Now we're moving on to bag RB3, which is our final bag to piece, and we have 2 strata in this bag. You're going to take 2 strips of the dark number 1 fabric that it's cut at 2.5 inches wide, and you're going to sew one on either side of 1 strip of medium fabric which has been cut 3.5 inches wide. And you're going to press this toward the outside, the dark fabric number 1. For the throw size, you'll have 1 set. For the double size, you'll have 1.5 sets of the strata. Next, we're going to cut into segments that are 2.5 inches wide. For the throw size, we'll need 10 segments, and for the double size, we'll need 20 segments. For the final strata, this is strata 7, you're going to take 2 medium strips of fabric that are 2.5 inches wide and piece it on either side of the dark number 2 fabric that's cut 3.5 inches wide. For the throw size and the double size, you'll have 1 set of this strata. Next, we're going to cut them into 3.5 inch segments. For the throw size, we'll need 5 segments, and for the double size, we'll need 10 segments.